yayitibwa Kulimani
okusinza kwetaba ennyo mu busambuzi bw'amateeka
okugoberera ebyo omwami w'okubiri yeetabamu ebyomugirimu alamu ensango y'omumenyi w'amateeka yasindikibwa yasindikibwa Kulimani osobola kuba kitiibwa asobola ogenda mu maaso
So, Council, now that you're representing A2, please, I could give you a moment to talk to him and advise him. But list of that, if you cannot, Mr. Munaana, if you cannot respect court, and please don't interrupt court again. Let us finish the documents. That Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, Agasire Nixon Karuhanga, joined Uganda Police Force as an informant and later was regularized into Uganda Police Forces as a special police constable.
Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP Agasire Nixon Karuhanga, Mwabula Soka, yayingira Uganda Police ya Uganda nga Mbega, era bamala bamuyingizanga police, special police constable,
and was based at the Rapid Response Unit at Chireka, where he commanded a team of operatives including SPCs and regular police officers.
Rapid Response Unit esangibwa Chireka era yadumira tiimu yaabo abakola ebikwekweto mu SSP.
Paragraph 4 reads that he rapidly rose through the ranks to Senior Superintendent of Police, and by 2015 he was commanding the Special Operations Unit, which was directly reporting to the Inspector General of Police, the IGP.
Katumba Wogula Kagambye yakuzibwa ku speed era mu 2015 yali akomandinga Special Operations Unit yalinga reporting director wa Senkulu wa Police wa IGP.
So the Special Operations Unit was charged with handling special and sensitive assignments or operations directly assigned by the IGP. Semutu Abdul, aka Munaana, was an informant of the Special Squad of the Rapid Response Unit and later the Flying Squad Unit, which was commanded by A1, who was later recruited by A1 as an operative of the Special Operations Unit.
Semutu Abdul, aka Munaana, yali wa Special Squad RRU, oluvannyuma n'abeera wa Flying Squad Unit yali eduumirwa omwaka gwasooka, era oluvannyuma baamuyingiza era ayingizibwa omwaka gwasooka mu Special Operations Unit.
Paragraph 6 reads that before A2 was recruited as an informant, he had previously been arrested, detained and charged several times for suspected involvement in civil crimes including murder, armed robberies and other violent crimes within Kampala and other areas in Uganda.
nga tebannaba mufuula mbega wekitongole ekyo emabegako yali yakwatibwa era nga yateekebwako emisango egiwerako mu kwetaba mu bumenyi bw'amateeka.
while it was in detention at Chireka over robbery of a motor vehicle.
Mwawabili w'okubiri yasinkana mwawabili asooka yali ngali mu kabuli ka poliisi kupa emmotoka. Omusango okukuba emmotoka.
That among the civil of murders, robberies and other violent crimes, A2 was suspected to have been involved and was the attack at Nagalama police station in Kono district, where they shot dead police officers and robbed their guns, hijacked a fuel tanker at Boyogera at gunpoint, and offloaded the fuel at Kabusu in Rubaga division in Kampala district.
Omusango egyo egimu egyogeddwako n'obubbi, emisango gy'obutemu n'egy'obubbi egyogeddwako, mwawabili w'okubiri era ateeberezebwa okuba nga yeenyigira mu musango gw'okulumba poliisi y'e Nagalama esangibwa mu disitulikiti y'e Mukono, era bawamba ne tanka y'amafuta ebweyogerere mu Mudungu Emundu, era ne batikkula amafuta e Kabusu mu Rubaga division mu Kampala.
It also reads that there was an armed robbery at Arua Park where they shot dead a female hawker, but he was later facilitated by A1 to evade justice.
Era okigambibwa ngu waliwo obubbi nga bakozesa emundu ku Arua Park bwe batta omukyala omutembeeyi, era nga mu musango yayambibwa omwawabili asooka okusobola okwewogoma amateeka okumukwata.
The prosecution intends to produce evidence of the charge sheet and the charge and caution statement, and a video interview recording shall be taken. Just a minute, please. Mr. Munaana, please. Mr. Munaana, please be quiet. Mr. Munaana, I'll give you a look. Can you allow me please finish? Okay? Let us finish. Be allowed at the later point. All you have to do now is listen. Okay? So, following A2's repeated involvement in violent crimes, he was remanded in prison on several occasions on different charges.
Okusinza kwetaba ennyo mu busambuzi bw'amateeka bawulire something that
okugoberera ebyo omwawabili w'okubiri yeetabamu eby'omubiri mwalamu emisango gy'obumenyi bw'amateeka yasindikibwa buli maani.
Mr. Munaana, if you cannot I will proceed with the A1 and maybe proceed within chambers. So, counsel, now that you're representing A2, please, I could give you a moment to talk to him and advise him. But least of that, if you cannot, Mr. Munaana, if you cannot respect court, and please don't interrupt court again. Let us finish the documents. Paragraph 9. When you interrupt now, we have to go back and trace where we had stopped. So we go to paragraph 8. Paragraph 8 reads that following A2's repeated involvement. Following A2's repeated involvement in violent crimes, he was remanded in prison on several occasions on different charges, and prison remand reports, the criminal register book, numbers and court case numbers where A2 was charged shall be tendered in court and relied upon during the trial.
yasindikibwa mu prison ku remand era yasindikibwa ku prison ku remand emisango egiwerako era bagamba nti bajja kwesigama ku record eza prison eza remand. Ekitabo kya poliisi mwe bawanika emisango n'ennamba za kooti omwawabiro w'okubiri kwe bamuteeka mu kuwuliriza omusango.
Paragraph 9, that A1 introduced A2 to the then IGP as a very resourceful person, and as a result, the IGP recruited him as an informant on a monthly pay on top of allocating him armed police guards.
Omwawabiro asooka yakwanjula eri ssenkulu wa poliisi ng'omuntu w'omugaso ennyo, era olw'ensonga eyo ssenkulu wa poliisi n'abakuumi.
That subsequent police investigations revealed the following.
Okunoonyereza kwa poliisi kubeerawo olunaku oluddako nga 3 mwezi ogwokusatu gw'ekumi.
So that prior to the above meeting at Kalere, A1 had given 2 killer guns to Gw'Okutta Joan, who later handed them over to Nongole Abdallah for custody at his rented residence in Aweru within Wakiso district.
Gatibana bakusinkana e Kalere, omwawabiro asooka yali yawadde emundu 2 aziwadde Gw'Okutta Joan, ayamala n'azikwasa Munongole okuzitereka mu kifo kye kye yali apangise Nabweru.
That after murdering Joan Kagezi, David and Munongole Pardon? That's a lot of one.